Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. So first off, man, my apologies. I just took 5 days off YouTube, which was my biggest break ever, besides when my channel got terminated a year ago. You know, unfortunately, my girlfriend's grandma, who was very healthy, got diagnosed with cancer last week, and now she's in the hospital with little to no time left. So it's been hard, especially for her and her family. And kind of a weird thing, blessing in disguise, my computer also broke at the same time. So I kind of just thought, you know what, I'll take this time to get it fixed and, you know, spend time with family and show my support. But we're back now. I'm gonna continue the regular scheduling and get back into the system. Now, speaking of getting back into the system, you guys have been killing it lately with 9 videos in a row actually getting shared on YouTube. As you guys know, I've been getting demonetized like crazy. Last video though got an easy 90,000 views in like a few days, which is nuts. So I want to thank you guys so much for that. A little stressed, not gonna lie, because if I know the downsides of YouTube, which goddamn do I know them more than most, because my channel once again has been shut down by them, I know that they're not really going to be sharing my stuff right now because I haven't been following the regular path of videos I've been doing. If you disappear for a little while, they stop sharing. So if you guys want to give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below, maybe we can get 10 in a row of them sharing it, but I'm maybe pushing my luck there, but that would be dope. Enough said though, man. Getting into the video, this is actually kind of a weird spin-off of last video. Now, last video, if you guys didn't tune in, I found a website through a subscriber that said their jewelry that is fake would pass any diamond tester test. Now, we diamond tested this stuff, which is actually right here, and oh wow, crazy. They lied to us. Who would have thought? Which such a stupid claim. On a good note though, I said in that last video, if you guys got it 2,500 thumbs up within the day, I would give it away. So I'm keeping my word on that. All you guys got to do, I didn't really try to pick winners in that one. I wanted to see if it actually happened first. All you guys got to do on this video is just go to my Instagram right here, message me saying you want it. I'm gonna pick somebody. Also give a thumbs up, comment down below. That'd be awesome, be a cool bonus. But yes, giving this away, getting into what we're talking about now though. While I was actually going and buying this stuff for the last video, I had this cool little brainstorm session where I'm like, let's find somebody else to put on blast. Now, I actually found another website, and this was hours of research, that claimed that their jewelry that they're selling for under $100 is all real. Now, oh, Brand, what's the problem there? The problem there is everything that they're selling on that website, if it was real, it'd be a lot more money. The twist to it too is they're charging enough where it's probably too much money to charge if it's fake. So we gotta try it out. Everything I bought in this package was under $100, and apparently it's real gold. They didn't say anything about real diamonds, but apparently it's all real gold. I call BS. Putting somebody on blast today, and not the way I really want to be honest, because I don't remember the website. All I have right now, because my computer's still broken in the shop, is some screenshots that I took on my phone when I was shopping around to put in this video also of their statement on their website. So I have that. I'm gonna try to find the website as soon as my computer comes back, because we're putting them on mad blast for this one. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe what they actually are selling is real gold, and we're all just gonna go there real quick once I actually find this link, and we're just gonna put them out of business because they're making bad choices with their money, but probably not. What I will do though, and keep updated on this, I will, if I do find this website from me uploading to whenever, I will post it in the description if I don't make a full video on it. So keep a lookout. I might post this website soon if I can find them. So look for it. Just look for it. Ah! Let's get into it. If I remember correct, I got a bunch of pieces, and let's see what happens. Also, if you guys are wondering how I'm editing this video, if my computer's in the shop, shout out to my girlfriend's dad, who just actually lent me his old computer to use to edit this, which is funny also, because he is an extreme military veteran, like that had like a lot of status or whatever. Like, I don't really know how that works, but he is. But through that, he still managed to put some kitty stickers on this that are also like 3D or whatever the hell. So I guess the message behind there is be yourself, boys. Love it. So let's get into, wow, I got more than I thought. Kind of stoked about the packaging at least. This could be a good sign. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 things. Now that screenshot, once again, I just showed you is off that website, and I actually got that piece. As you guys see, it's a gold and diamond grill. Doubt the diamonds are real. They claim the gold is. So I don't know what one. I'm just gonna kind of peek real quick. That is it. Okay, perfect. We're gonna go through that one first. Exactly what they had in their picture of the screenshot I showed. We have some gold grills. Apparently 10 karat gold, 14. I can't really remember what they stated on that. which was so funny. I had to purchase this because I don't know how many of you guys have actually gotten grills that you don't have to fit yourself. Usually if you're getting real gold grills, you gotta put the thing in, you gotta get your teeth all measured up, then they send you the grill so it fits your mouth. These are the type of grills that fit anyone, bro. They have got the silicone that came in them, or silicone or whatever, to mold it to your teeth. This is just funny because I knew right off the bat this has to be bullshit stuff, but boom. What a stupid statement. Now I paid, I can't remember, whatever it said on the screenshot, it was probably 60 something or 50 something dollars. If you're actually gonna get these in person, just gold grills on their own, like full out gold, are gonna cost you around $600 to $700 if you shop at the right place, or people are gonna charge you a lot more. $50 just sounds like crap. It looks like crap. It doesn't feel like real gold, I think, but I got my ways of testing. As you guys know, I'm banned from the one place that's at least near to me that actually tests gold, so I'm not gonna take them. I have to test them myself. What I am gonna do is I'm just gonna sand this down, because I know any fake gold is gonna have some other color probably underneath. They usually layer it with the crap, and also there's ramen noodles on this. I tried that ramen noodle thing where people are making, so it doesn't matter. So actually, we're just gonna break this in half. That might be easier. I doubt this is real gold, and I don't even care to break it in half, because if it actually comes out that it is real, I'm just gonna get my girlfriend to take it to that gold place and sell it. What the hell? Oh no, okay, sorry. I was looking at this, I just broke it in half. I'm looking for a different color in there, and you can see, I hope you guys can see, that does not look like real gold. Can you guys kind of see like a different material in there? It's a little bit lighter. It doesn't mean real gold. If I broke one of these finger rings in half, it's gonna have the same color all the way through. I call BS on that. That's just one thing I already knew was gonna be fake. But we still have more stuff here, and we're gonna check out if the rest of it is fake. Okay. This is a gold piece off their web that is super light. I can't remember how much I paid for this. Everything was under $100 though. If this was real, it would be probably about $1,000 that most people would sell it for, if not more. It's a thick piece of gold. It is hollowed on the inside, so I don't really know, but it would definitely be worth more. You know what I mean? If it was real. So, I just, ow! God, that was actually a burn. Got jewelry burn on me. It's like rug burn, but when you try to break jewelry and it doesn't break. So I don't really know how we're gonna do this, bro. I'm just gonna sand this down, see if it's real. Actually, I'm gonna check for it. Nope, I was gonna check for marking. These idiots, man. If anything was real gold, bro, it wouldn't do that. What the f is that? Yeah, you see the white right there? That's where I just sanded down. That's not real gold. And now I'm thinking I probably spent $100 on this, which is insane. You can get a fake one off eBay or supremepatty.com even for like $17 or less, or my website NameBranFam.com. That only sells fake things, by the way, don't get twisted. But yeah, that's fake. This is an easier video than I thought. I actually thought we'd have to really search with this stuff. What did I get here? Another gold chain. All right, so actually I like the look of this one. Comes tangled, which is weird. At least Shop Gold, when they're taking our money for their fake crap, they're giving us good packaging. This just has a little foam in it. I'll actually tell you, if you got this real chain off Shop Gold, they have the real gold for cheap right now, which is a scam. You'd probably pay a good $400 to $500 for the millimeters on this and the length. Wholesale though, if you're just buying gold as it is, it's gonna cost over $100 for something this thick. I know that because I had a chain that was pretty similar, but a lot thinner, and that went for $80. This is ridiculous. What a bunch of pieces of... You guys can't even see it. It's not really even focused on it. Just believe me when I say the color just changed there. We have like... It's not even metal. This might be lead. This might be lead. I will get that link, or we're just gonna do a separate video absolutely just putting them on blast so everyone can attack their website, because it looks pretty busy. It looks like it had like... I don't know, not busy. It looks like it had a lot of product. They probably did pretty well. Alright, man, so we're already coming to the last one. But this next one right here, this was the one I was kind of excited about. Felt heavy, but now the packaging is just heavy. Right off the bat, not even going to test the gold. No, it's fake, 100%. It's just too light. But what we will test is these diamonds. Just because I want to double F them on this one. You know what I mean? Like, how dare you? Nothing's real on this. You're claiming it's all real. Nothing's real. And I'm pretty sure they could be sued for that. But I'm Canadian. We don't do that much. Hopefully you guys enjoy this type of video. I kind of want to do more of them, just putting some people on blast. I'm clearly not doing it well in this video because I don't have their website right now. But if you guys dig these, I'm kind of down. I feel like a superhero with fake jewelry. Diamond tester. If it's real, it's gonna make this sound. That's not good. That's me touching metal. Don't worry. Sorry, I just have to clean this off real quick. Embarrassing. There we go. Fake. Let's see what happens. I'm so shaky for this, bro. Yeah, nothing. It's all fake. It's all crap. This is what we got. I probably spent, I think if I remember correct, $300 to almost $400 Canadian on this website. It's ridiculous. So that's it. Appreciate y'all for watching Merkin the Game, the greatest of all time. We're the GOATs. Leave a comment down below if you watch this far and say, hey man, upload tomorrow. I usually do every second day. That's my schedule. But if you guys are down, because I've taken so much time off, I actually got a lot of stuff in the mail this past week, I'm down to do it if I see a lot of those comments. Appreciate y'all for watching Merkin the Game, the greatest of all time. I'm gonna try my hardest to find this website and maybe post them in the description or something if I can find it. Appreciate y'all for watching. Blow.